STKNP vs JAK Live CPL 2026. Match 18 Fire. Get ready for an exciting clash. St Kitts Nevis Patriots vs Jamaica Kingsmen. Round Pushpin Venue. Warner Park, Bastair, St Kitts Trophy Tournament. Caribbean Premier League 2026 Spiral Date. 27 August 2026 Alarm Clock Match Start Time. 7:00 p.m. local time toss time, approximately 30 minutes before the match. St Kitts Nevis Patriots Squad. Andre Fletcher, WK. Jason Holder, Johnson Charles, Kyle Mayers, Dasan Shanaka, Saurabh Netravelkar, Wanandu Hasaranga, Jeremiah Louis, Obed McCoy, Alec Athanase, Nikhil Shohari, Mikkel Louis, Wacker Salamkale, Ashmead Ned, Nasim Shah, Kevin Wickham, Navin Baidaisy, Micah McKenzie. Jamaica Kingsmen Squad. Reza Hendricks, Andre Russell, Shayan Jahangir, WK. Kesey Carty, Odeon Smith, Kimo Paul, Ravman Powell, Hassan Khan, Jeever Royal, Usman Khan, WK. Romain Morris, WK. Same Ayub, Kirk McKenzie, Maz Sadakat, Shaker Paris, Hunain Shah, Tayyab Arif, Jediah Blades, Kelvin Pittman, Vital Laws. Fire, join our live show. Get the latest toss updates, playing XI, live match updates, key moments, and full match discussion.